How's it going, everybody? Today we got a brand new idea. We got ourselves this can of sparkling water. Delicious. Really good seltzer, love it. Nice and cold, nice and fizzy. Today we're gonna be reenacting that video of the guy who chugs the seltzer and tries not to burp. We're gonna beat that because that guy sucked. And we're gonna do this. Here we go, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! I underestimated it. There's still some left. There's still... I'm gonna throw up. Shit. I regret this. Oh, this is a mistake. This is a mistake. Ugh. That guy's a chump. I still got some left. Honestly, not that bad. I thought this would be more entertaining. I'm sorry, guys. Stay hydrated. It's like 90 degrees outside. Stay hydrated, guys. Please, stay hydrated. Please, guys. Please.